studios at WVON. It's Straight Talk with Reverend Mitchell L. Johnson on the Talk of Chicago, 1690 WVON.
Hi, I'm Vi Hearing with the GROmoment from GROmentum Lab. Have you heard about safe banking in cannabis? Do you think it's good for the cause of social equity? Cannabis businesses are cash only. This obviously creates huge business risks and significantly raises costs. And there's more. Businesses have only 3 tools to raise capital. They can exchange equity for ownership, reinvest profits from one business to finance another, or take out a loan. Most people who qualify as social equity don't have interested investors or funds available from previous ventures. Lending institutions are often federally insured banks or credit unions and are therefore prohibited from working with cannabis businesses because it is still considered a Schedule I drug. Further making the case for the Safe Banking Act, access to working capital and the benefits of using credit would go a long way in easing cash management stress. Finally, working within the formal banking system would help entrepreneurs establish legitimacy and require transparency. Advocates promoting safe banking push for states' rights and the federal government looking the other way when banking cannabis companies. While some have banked them anyhow, consequences have amounted to law enforcement raids. Most banks are not willing to risk their charters to engage in such business, and those who do charge exorbitant rates and fees, which in turn put more pressure on the cannabis entrepreneur to succeed. On the other hand, many social equity and justice advocates caution against promoting safe banking in that descheduling cannabis should be done with social justice and equity at its core before banking is normalized, for 2 reasons. 1, such banks have a history of redlining and would likely continue to discriminate against social equity entrepreneurs unless laws favor different practices. And 2, whenever safe banking goes through, conglomerates like Big Pharma and tobacco will race in and decimate any chances that the small business owner has at equity in the industry. Locally, entrepreneurs are at a disadvantage not being able to easily access the benefits of financial institutions as they open operations despite social equity and justice as the core to the spirit of the law. We at GROmentum Lab suggest entrepreneurs seek community-based and state-chartered financial institutions so you can get ahead of whatever comes down from Washington, whenever that happens. This is Vi Hearing with the GROmoment from GROmentum Lab.